Hi, today I will be talking about a lecture I attended on special relativity. The lecture was called An Illustrated Approach to Special Relativity and Its Paradoxes, a talk by Professor John dePillis. John dePillis is one of the co-authors of Illustrated Special Relativity Through Its Paradoxes. The lecture was mainly on special relativity, and it was quite informational. So what is special relativity? It is a physical theory of space and time developed by Albert Einstein, and it based on that all the laws of physics are equally valid in all frames of reference, moving at a uniform velocity, and that the speed of light from a uniformly moving source is always the same, regardless of how fast or slow the source of its observer is moving. So that's pretty much the basis of what this lecture was about. Next, I will be showing you some examples from Dr. dePillis' website. So, I would say that in the lecture I was quite lost. Many of the concepts, such as axioms and things, didn't quite make sense at first, but visiting this website has sort of helped me understand more what he meant. One of the paradoxes I found interesting was the twin paradox. And here we see this is there's a set of twins, and one stays on Earth while the other one starts to travel into space, and it's shown here. And after 25 years, the traveling twin reverses directions on another spaceship headed to Earth. So it takes about another 25 years for this to pass. So the transfer is made as shown. And so it says that the traveling twin reaches Earth and has only aged 30 years, while the Earthbound twin has aged 50 years. So it's important to see this view in two frames, one from the Earth frame and one from the spaceship frame. And so from the Earthbound twins frame, we see that the moving spaceship is going about 0.6 times the rate of his own Earth clock, which is on Earth. So then after 50 years, only 30 spaceship years have passed, because it's like a ratio. From the spaceship frames, the twin on the outgoing and then the incoming spaceship sees the always moving Earth ticking at only 0.6 times the rate of the spaceship clock. That's why on each spaceship, 15 spaceship years pass while only 9 Earth years pass. So again, it's another ratio that's sort of being seen. So by the time the traveling twin reaches back, only 30 years have passed, but 50 years have passed on Earth. This is related to general relativity, as this website explains, and it says that the huge acceleration of the transfer causes the spaceship twin to see his own clock slow down and to see the inertial clock on Earth to speed up by 32 years. In this sense, the forces of the spaceship transfers, however brief in time, thrust the traveling twin 32 years into the Earth's future. So I would say overall this lecture was quite informational because I didn't know anything about special relativity before, and definitely looking into different theorems and different paradoxes that Dr. dePillis mentioned has definitely helped me understand special relativity a little bit more. So yeah, overall I would say this lecture was helpful and I really enjoyed it. Thank you.